So in today's video, we are going to explain how to send email using Node server. Okay, so in most of the time, we need to send the email to email for OTP, or like you have signed in successfully, or for verification purpose. So in that scenario, email communication is used. So we will see how to send email using the Node server. Okay, so first of all, for sending the email, this is the simple function. Okay, there is no much code. We need node mailer package. Okay, I have already installed node mailer package, but you can also install node mailer using npm I node mailer. Okay, now we have to initialize one variable where mail option. Okay, where I am giving sorry, now we need to create one transporter. So what is a transporter? Like node.js is sending email, but node.js does not have their own email server. They need any third party server, one of the third party server. So here we are using Gmail server for sending the email. Okay. So like here I have given the Gmail, and here my user ID, and my user ID is xyz@gmail.com. And in here password, we don't need to fill our Gmail password. We need to fill app password, and you can create the app password by simply if you will go in the Google account. Okay, and if you will select app password, so you can directly go to the means you can use that password. Okay, so I have already created one of my app password, so I am using that password. Okay, you can also create the password using app password. Okay, I need to verify first myself. Okay, I can show you how to use this. So here, app password. So I am using this password. You can also create any app. Okay, and if you will create, then you will give Gmail will send you one password. Okay, 16 digit password. So I am using this password. So this is our transporter. So in this transporter, our node mailer is create one bridge for Gmail service. Okay. So our transporter is created. Now we need to send email. So in mail option, I am defining one object where mail option, where from is my username, to is to which user I am sending. Here I am sending to my alternate email ID. Okay. And in subject, suppose I am writing Node.js email test. And in body, done, Baba, done. Okay. Now I need to call one of the transporter function. Okay. Transporter dot send mail, where we need to pass this object in first parameter, and we are calling one callback function. Okay. So this is the code structure. We have to import the node mailer, then we need to create one transporter, and in auth you need to give your user ID, and in password you need to give application password. And in mail option, all the things is filled, and I have called transporter.sendMail. Okay. Now if I will run this program, then what will happen? Okay. So email sent successful. So our email is sended successful. Let me check my email ID. Okay. Mm, so I got one of the email, and with the proper subject and all that thing. You can, if you want to check, then you can. I can't show my phone here. So email have been received already, but okay. So this was the method to send email using the node server. Okay. So for today video only this thing. And if you like the video, then give us the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.